Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to save documents in Google Docs and Google Drive. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. Before starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So first guys, open the Google Drive and log in with your Google account. So Google Drive is basically the space provided by Google, 15 GB free space provided by Google, where you can save your Google Docs file, or you can save your Google Sheet, and you can create the new sheet like Google Docs and folder. Here you can create folder also. You can upload the files from your computer. Okay, so if you want to save documents in Google Docs or Google Drive, so you can upload from here. You can upload file from your computer. If you have Google Docs file in your computer or Word file, you can just open it, just select file and just open it. It will be upload on your computer. Okay, so now if you create new Google Docs file, so Google Drive has the application called Google Docs, Google Sheet, and Google Slide, and Google Form, and more, many more. Okay, so when you create anything like Google Docs or Google Sheet, it will be save in Google Drive only. Okay, you don't need to save in Google Docs. Google Docs is application which is attached in Google Drive only, and when you open or create any Google Docs file or Google Sheet file, so it will be saved in Google Drive only. Okay, so when you if I create new Google Docs from here, if I rename it, okay, just rename like this. So now it is created, and if I go to the Google Drive and click on recent, here you can see this file has been created. And okay, this file has been created, you can see. So I don't need to save, it will be automatically saved here. You can find in my drive also. You have to search by name here, or you can just scroll and find it, or just filter like docs only, so all docs file will be open here. So we just created file will be it is this one. Okay, so when you make any changes in Google Docs, so it also save automatically. Okay, you don't need to save. Okay, so you whenever you open or create new docs file, it will be save in Google Drive only. Okay, so if you go in Google Docs, okay, Google Docs, as I told you, it is application, but you will see all save file folder in Google Docs also. So this is Google Docs application, and whatever you created or save, you will find here. You don't need to save, it will be save here. So if you want to move it in particular folder, okay, so you can open, this is Google Drive folder, you can open any folder here. Okay, so that is file which is automatically save. Okay, so in Google Docs you don't need to save, it will be automatically save, and you will find all docs file in Google Drive only. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.